Hi guys, I'm back again and I wanted to do another Dollar Tree haul with you guys. One, because the last time I did this we were kind of more personal with each other and I think I felt a lot more comfortable one-on-one with you guys. Second thing is their summer stuff is out and I wanted to show you some really good finds I found for this summer. And I'm also going to do a craft with you guys. So we're going to start off with the haul. First thing is these baskets here. Now they normally have these out anyway, but they normally have like the circles. This time they're like little squares, and these are perfect for when you go to the pool, to the beach, and you can just keep like your swim toys or your sand toys in them, and like when you're out and about, you can just wet them in the water and shake them out, and you won't have all that sand and crud in your car. Next thing I want to show you is their summer cups. And I got this one, and it's like very like iridescent with the different colors. And it might be hard to read on the camera, but it says, "Life is a beach, enjoy the waves." And they have a whole bunch of different ones like these. This is the one I picked up that I really liked. Another thing I wanted to talk to you about is their birthday selections have gotten a lot better. They have like different themes now that you can get, like plates, the tablecloths, like the whole thing, and like there was like Lego ones, princess ones, like all different things. My kids' birthday is over for the year, so I didn't pick anything up, but I just wanted to tell you about that. Um, Another thing I found were these floral placemats. And I thought that this would be cute for like outside on like, I was thinking like if you have like one of those center stool type things on your patio sets, you could lay like all three of these out and like maybe put like a candle in the center of each of those. I thought that'd be really cute. Another thing I found were, I wanted to show you, and this is actually part of the craft I wanted to show you. So honestly, you can pick up any of their wooden signs. It doesn't even have to be like the base part. It doesn't even have to be a summer sign. This one is. It says summer, sand, and sun. But this is not the side we're going to use. This side is. Now you'll also want to get another sign. This one you'll want it to be summer. It'll be, or whichever holiday you want to make the sign for. But you want a smaller sign that will fit on this for the craft. So we're going to get into the craft real quick, and then I'll be back with more of my haul for you. Okay, I'm going to start off with the bigger sign, and I'm going to need to take the sticker off. Because like I said, this is like going to be the front of the sign that we're going to make. Okay, once I got that sticker all off, I used white chalk paint just to paint a single layer on top of it. Okay, now this is a smaller sign I'm going to use. I'm just going to take some hot glue on this sign. And like I said, you can make the sign for any season. Like if you find one for Halloween. But like all you need is a base sign to paint or to glue your smaller sign to. And you could paint the sign in any color you want. I just chose white. But like if you're doing like a Halloween one, you might want to paint it black. Christmas one, you might want to paint it red or green. But this is what I chose to do. Then after it's glued, I let it dry. And there's the sign. Hope you guys like that craft. Now another thing I got to craft with is further down the road. But I wanted to give you guys a heads up just in case you want to make a craft. Because I'm waiting till fall to do this craft. So I want you guys to go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some luau skirts. The hand-colored ones. We're going to do some crafts with these come fall. So obviously come fall you're not going to find them, so grab them now. And then another thing that I get that I always do crafts with, especially Christmas time. So I grabbed a red one. You can do a lot of things with pool noodles besides just go swimming. You can make obstacle courses for your kids. You can decorate, craft with them. You can even use these to organize with. You can use these to baby-proof your house. But there are several things you can use these pool noodles for. So anytime you see one at the Dollar Tree, always make sure you pick a few up. And that was it for the summer haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.